My name is Wilman Esquimena. My tourist destination. The most incredible activity I did in a trip was to know Medellin. I had to go Medellin because it's the city internal spring. It is a beautiful and magical city. The cheapest place I had visited in my town is the marketplace where there you can buy many cheap things, like a variety of fishes and many tropical fruits. The best thing I had happened in a trip are to travel by bad iris and interesting chase to note might with in Medellin. Not I didn't had the chance to make good friend in Atria. I prefer to do ecotourism because you'd be in contact with the nature. A fantasy. You can see many animals and to learn from them. Disadvantage. Practicing this type of tourism bit, bit can pollute the environment. Regular tourism. Advantage to know many places and learn from its culture. Disadvantage it is very expensive and with many people. Thank you. Bye.